Let's see about this new waffle maker. So I got this Crux double-sided waffle maker. Supposed to be able to make 2 waffles at once. Comes with a drip plate for catching extras and a measuring cup for perfect levels. But this is what you came here for. Let's see about it. A little trigger to open it. Yeah. The copper looking, but I think it's aluminum, they said. Turn that baby to the other side. Waffle maker number 2. Got your dials to choose the heat. The lights will let you know when they're ready. On and off switch. The party is in the on position. We're gonna turn that heat up. It's supposed to heat up quick. Let's see how quick. As you can see, each side is numbered. And then the lights correspond to the numbers 1 and 2. Now, the only issue I've seen so far is when you turn this baby over on the 2 side, it didn't stay completely horizontal. I can live with it. We'll see how it does on the waffles. But it's horizontal on the 1 side. So on the 2 side, got a little lean to it.